Make way. Well, there's a new ranger in town. And his name is Pod.
What's right? Here come the PJ Riders. Here come the PJ Riders. It's the PJ Riders.
This raptor has a name. Well, actually, its name is Pyroraptor. Pyroraptor has been one of the fastest fighters on the prehistoric timelines above and beyond. The reason why his name is Pyroraptor is for the reason that his body is covered in red feathers. And, well, mostly I saw that Pyroraptors are white, but this one has always been a red one. And, well, Pyroraptors are genuine fast protectors. And they have ways of surviving. They can send direct hits to enemies. Heck, this guy can even strike down an iguanodon. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alright. This guy is even better than Velociraptor. I heard that he debuted in Jurassic World Dominion. Congratulations, Pyroraptor. Not bad, buddy, not bad. I'm still trying to ask when this guy's gonna debut on demand. For free. Alexa, what is Pyroraptor?
Pyroraptor is an extinct genus of paravian dinosaur, probably a dromaeosaurid or unenlagiid, from the Late Cretaceous Ibero-Armorican island of what is now southern France and northern Spain. It lived during the late Campanian and early Maastrichtian stages, approximately 70.6 million years ago. It is known from a single partial specimen that was found in Provence in 1992, after a forest fire.
One thing about Jurassic World and Jurassic Park, they often use velociraptors. Well, the velociraptors, well, they often use megaraptors instead of velociraptors in the show. Yeah, in the movies. Probably didn't tell you this before, but they often use megaraptors instead of velociraptors instead. Because basically, velociraptors mostly have feathers. The ones we saw don't. How nuts is that? Anyways, if I were to use an actual raptor in the Jurassic Park movie, it would definitely be Pyroraptor. One of my favorites. Not bad, boys, not bad. You look great. Anyway, that's how you draw a Pyroraptor. Farewell, guys.